Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a vlog about bees. That's my topic. And specifically, we're going to be talking about breeding your own bees, essentially. So basically, my dad, he buys bees to pollinate his crops, to say. He has a little garden and he grows like tomatoes and different sorts of like vegetables and herbs, and it's really cool. So I'm going to go and I'm going to show you guys where it happens and basically just talk about the process. And then later I'm going to be doing a how-to video on like how to put that together and do it yourself at home, so stay tuned for that. So this is our little garden. It's small, but it is effective and it's super yummy. And then over here we have one little space for the bees. It's in an old birdhouse, so this is just something we had, but it's super easy to make. And then over here we have our second little place for the bees. This is what it looks like. This is another old little birdhouse. There you go.
Hi, so I'm going to talk today about having solitary bees for the purpose of pollination. Solitary bees differ from honeybees in that they don't have a hive and they don't create honey. But the thing about solitary bees, like the ones we're raising, which are mason bees, leafcutter bees, and Californica osmia bees, are that they are 6 times more efficient at pollinating plants. And since 75% of our plant-based food sources are pollinated by bees, it's very important to continue to cultivate bees, since they're being affected by loss of habitat and pesticides in the natural environment. So what we do is that we get bees from a company called Mason Bees for Sale, and they sell them in 2 different ways. They sell them in loose cell bees, which are individual bee larvae in a container, usually 20 to 50 bees in a container, or in these tubes. These are reed tubes that the mason bees use to lay their larvae for the next generation. Mason bees need clay, which we provide for them here, to make their nests or their larva tubes, whereas leafcutter bees and Californica bees don't need the clay. They use the materials from the leaves of the plants that they pollinate. So you can see here we have 2 tomato plants close by, which are going to be pollinated by these bees, and we provide this habitat for them to hopefully give us another generation going forward. And we provide other areas they can go to lay their larvae in our yard, and this provides beneficial pollination not just for our plants but for our neighbors as well, because they can cover a half a mile approximately in the area and pollinate, because we have fruit trees and other flowers that the bees will work to pollinate, and it's just a good thing for the environment. It's an easy thing to do to help with a problem that we have with bees disappearing. So that's it for raising solitary bees for improving the pollination.